I'm gonna reuse this one because ceramic doesn't go bad. They stay good for a hell of a lot longer than this. So this one here, it's stainless. This ends up getting wore out, especially if they don't put the oil on the side. It gets wore out. It won't do it. The ceramic, it doesn't. A crack. I'm feeling this right now. It doesn't feel bad at all. I'd like to change this out. Cups in here. No cups. That's for the other ones. No cups. Unless I do use steel cups. Called the sidewinder chemical pump. It uses natural gas, or you can use air to run it. Gas goes in here. You got your diaphragm with a little spring. This is your speed setting. It allows the gas to blow. See, this goes inside here. Alright, the gas blows on the top. Then the gas will stop for a second. And the spring, which it doesn't look like it's working good, pushes it back up. Up, down, up, down. Each stroke, every time it goes down, it pushes out fluid out of your discharge. Don't look like it was lubed up too well. I'm cleaning out this because this is what travels inside. That little comb, that little feel. You want it to have good suction in there. Clean out all the debris. Make sure it's nice and smooth. When it pumps bad, then people just increase the amount of supply to pump and end up blowing the diaphragm inside here. That relay, I gotta change the ting.
Money man, money man, money man.
That's just the
money man, money man, money man.
Let's pull this out.
Hold up.
This is in two pieces like that. Yep, the spring is broken. That's why the spark wasn't working.
One black, one white, one black. Salt and
Now we gotta get lucky.
salt and pepper. One white, one black, one white, one black. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper. Get it, get it, get it. Voodoo, 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 voodoo. Whoa. Money man, 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 money man.
See, we got
money man,
methanol pump.
money man, money man.
Pumps to the fuel gas. Fuel gas takes a cut from the compressor discharge at 1,100 pounds. Goes from 1,100 to 600, and from 600 to 120, 130, whatever we're running on fuel gas system at. And the pump went out. Obviously, you can see why the spring was busted, so it wasn't stroking. And they just pulled it off and didn't put another one back in. Just because they thought it's summertime and it's not gonna freeze. But whenever you have pressure cuts, it's gonna freeze. It's gonna freeze regardless.
Get it, get it, get it. Voodoo, 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 voodoo.
Unless you get your cuts closer, like 1,100 to 800, then you get another cut from 800 to 5, 4. You add a third cut, but that's way too many regulators for that. Most just do the simple 2-cut. This is where the packing is. Which, with the spring being bad, the pack is probably still good. But
one white, one black, one white, one black.
oh, baby.
One white, one black, one white, one black. Salt and one white, one black, one white, one black. Salt and pepper.
That backing is yellow. That's 5 Biathlon. That would be better for corrosive demulsifiers, stuff like that. The white Teflon, that's going to be better for methanol. That's probably why it went bad. Bleed for it, so if you lose prime, you just open this up and out the center. Okay, you see that little hole right there? Out the center. Fluid goes in, and just making sure all the board's cleaned out.
One white, one black, one white, one black, something. I press the button, then the car talk. Call me hustle hard, call me hustle hard. I press the button, then the car talk. Call me hustle hard.
Never sees, that's don't get opened up in a while, don't get stuck. Hence the name Never Sees. I don't put that much into this stuff. Spreads and it gets get all over every stuff. See how it's all over the thread? Add a little dab. Don't need to kick it on.
Hold up. Hold up.
Oh, jackass.
Voodoo. Yeah.
You got to do one thing. Put the pack in it. Duh. Not the right tool, not a hammer, but I'm just tapping it. Make my wrench work great. Alright, I would prefer to use grease. Piston grease, that'll work.
Money man, money man, money man. Woo. Money man, money man, money man. Woo.
You're like, oh, you think he knows everything? No. But I've run a place before. None of y'all have. Y'all never even got a proper T2 school. To me, that means a lot. That's what makes you an operator. Not just knowing how to fucking bring on a well. You can't even touch the well if you don't have that license in federal waters anyway. You know? State waters, they don't care. Because they're about making money. They don't give a fuck about safety. Come on, baby.
Hold up.
What am I hitting? They don't care about safety, they care about the buck. So, they don't enforce the dudes to get proper training. When they don't get proper training, they don't know 100% what's what. They're not thinking about, they want to make as much overtime as they can. So, that's where my issue was. They were making me look bad with bad fucking ball numbers without no downtime, so that they can go and babysit platforms so they can make the money they need to make. It's ridiculous. Check. This is the discharge.
Money man, money man, money man. Woo. Money man, money man, money man. Woo. Money man, money man, money man. Woo. Money man.
This is the check valve. I'm just going to verify, make sure it's clean. Which she is. ball. There we go.
Recorded flows check me off of your syllabus. Recorded flows check me better than the rest of them. Compare us to the best of them.
Guys, you got 15 years experience working in this field. That doesn't mean that you know what you're doing. You wouldn't even make a sea operator in the jet waters. What better waters is a standard.
You is a lame.
You don't have to make sure the threads are clean like this. I just do it because I'm a nerd.
You is a lame. Trolling for fame. That beat is crazy, crazy. Google me, Google me. That beat is you can't feel the pain, so you're sold for a change. You can't feel the pain. East side, west side, mid side, we all ride. East side. Better than the rest.
Now this has an arrow on it, which is probably faded. The arrow's going that way. All right. We're just gonna need one of these fittings.
Lift off, we gotta jump it like a Monday night. Take off, we gotta know the name, know the game, know the pain. Hey, lift off, we gotta jump it like a Monday night. Take off, we gotta jump it like a Monday night. Know the name, know the game, know the pain. Hey, know the name, know the game, know the pain. Hey, know the name, know the better than the rest of them. Compare us to the best of them. Better than the rest of them. You caught it flows, check me off of your syllabus. You caught it flows, check me off of your syllabus. You caught it.
This one's low pressure check. You got the ball. Teflon. I hate that because it ends up, when they check the ball or whatever and they put it back, that little bit extra Teflon ends up getting in there and it doesn't allow the ball to seat. And then you end up going tear apart the pump for no reason. You just need a little bit. Arrow going up. Here's how it goes. See that arrow? The arrow's going up, gets sucked into the chamber. When that pump goes on the downstroke, because you got to check here. It's got to stop. Just going this way. And they got this is a check. I took it apart and showed you. This is a check. So if it goes this way and can't come back this way because that has a little ball with a spring and all that good stuff. And that's your bleeder. They got an exhaust port, which I didn't see any of those either. All these pumps. Wasted money.
Can't feel the pain, so you're sold for a change. You is a lame, trolling for fame. East side, west side, mid side, we all ride. That beat
This one kicks this bar, but that looks kind of plugged.